Sometimes legends aren't born in palaces. They're forged in fire, war, and insult. This is the story of a man who went from building tractors to challenging the king of supercars, Ferrari. This is the story of Ferruccio Lamborghini. Our story begins in Italy on April 28th, 1962. But it really starts long before that. It's with a boy named Ferruccio Lamborghini, born into a humble family of grape farmers. His parents wanted him to follow the family trade, winemaking. But Ferruccio had different interests. Machines. He spent his childhood tinkering with equipment, understanding engines, fixing tools on the farm. His mechanical skills were remarkable, and soon he enrolled in a technical school to sharpen them. World War II, a turning point. During World War II, Ferruccio was drafted into the Italian Royal Air Force as a mechanic, but then tragedy struck. He was captured by German forces and became a prisoner of war. Instead of giving up, Ferruccio used his time in captivity to do what he did best: repair machines. He worked on German military vehicles inside the POW camps, solving technical issues that even their own mechanics struggled with. His mechanical brilliance did not go unnoticed. After some time, the Germans released him, recognizing his value and skill. Even in war, talent speaks louder than borders. Post-war struggles and the birth of a dream. Returning to Italy, Ferruccio faced personal loss. His wife passed away during childbirth. To cope, he threw himself into work. He saw how farmers struggled to get tractors after the war and had an idea: why not build affordable, powerful tractors from leftover military machinery? Thus was born Lamborghini Trattori. Using discarded war engines, Ferruccio built diesel-powered tractors that were stronger and cheaper than the competition. Within a few years, his company became one of Italy's most successful tractor brands. From tractors to supercars. With his growing fortune, Ferruccio began buying luxury cars. He was passionate about performance and style, and one of his favorite brands was Ferrari. But there was a problem. His Ferrari 250 GT had repeated clutch issues. When he opened the car, he realized the clutch was the same one used in his tractors. Outraged, he approached Enzo Ferrari with the issue. But instead of listening, Enzo arrogantly replied, "Stick to making tractors. You don't know how to drive a car, let alone build one." That insult sparked a fire. Lamborghini strikes back. Ferruccio wasn't one to back down. He decided to build a better car than Ferrari, one that was fast, beautiful, and reliable. In 1963, he founded Automobili Lamborghini. He hired top engineers, including some from Ferrari, and began work on his first model. Within months, the Lamborghini 350 GT was born, a stunning machine with a V12 engine and exceptional design. It was showcased at the Geneva Motor Show and stunned the world. Ferruccio had proven his point. A tractor maker just beat Ferrari at his own game. The rise, the fall, and the legacy Lamborghini released legendary models like the Miura, Countach, Diablo, and Murcielago. But the company wasn't without challenges. In 1978, due to global recession and internal struggles, Lamborghini had to sell the company. It changed hands multiple times, until Volkswagen Group acquired it in 1998. Today, Lamborghini is one of the most iconic and loved supercar brands in the world. Moral of the story, Ferruccio Lamborghini's journey from a farm boy to war prisoner to mechanical genius to Ferrari's rival shows us one thing: never let arrogance discourage you. Turn rejection into revolution. As like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring real-life stories. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this story, hit the like button and subscribe to Cognos Chronicles for more inspiring real-life legends.